Hello, how are you all? Hope you are all doing well. I am Dr. Labis from Dr. Labib Academy. Today we are going to have the session with reference to ACCA UK Taxation Finance Act 2022, and this is valid till March 2024 exams. This is very important, okay? Which one is which act, and it is valid till. I kindly request you all to subscribe to this channel, share this channel, and watch till the end. Any doubts, post your comments in either way and like this video if you really made difference in your knowledge and understanding. Okay, and this is here. Now I am doing, I am putting the numbers, okay, series like this, 11 divided 11 by 15 like this. This is very important, okay? I will change. The 15 is the total number of videos, but for this is important 11. Okay, the moment I will increase, I will add more videos, I will change the sequence as such. Okay, so I kindly request you all to watch, to subscribe to this channel, okay, and post your comments. Fine. Now we are going to do something. This is with respect to section C. Okay, this is with respect to section C. You all know in section C you have 2 questions for 15 marks each and 1 question for 10 marks. Okay, and they will ask with respect to corporation tax, capital gain tax, losses, how to have to carry forward the losses, all those things that will be there. Fine. This is with respect to Iod Limited. There is 3 questions are there. One is Aoede Limited, the second is Bianca Limited, and the third one is Chargeable Limited. Okay. What they have said, you are a trainee, chartered certified accountant, dealing with the tax affairs of 3 unrelated companies. Okay, unrelated companies as such. Fine, they are related to unrelated companies as such. Fine, unrelated limited companies, Aoede, Bianca and Chargeable. Before coming to the things, first the most important, the approach which I always suggest you, that you have to refer in the reading time, you have to, what is the requirement, because requirement gives you a complete understanding how we have to approach the question as such. On the basis that ID claims relief for, they want to have the relief for its losses as early as possible. Fine. Calculate the taxable total profits, TTP. We use the word taxable total profits of ID Limited for the year ended 31st March 2022 and 31st March 2023, and of Moon Limited. There is another thing which is attached to ID Limited. We will see what is the role and what is the important significance of Moon Limited for the year ended 31st March 2023. Okay, this is the first one. What is the second one? Second one says that explain which aspect of Aoede in this is from part A. There are 2 questions are there. The first question carries 5 marks. The second one is 1 mark. Which aspect of Aoede Limited loss relief claim made in part 1 is not beneficially to? We have to explain in 1 or 2, 3 sentences. We have to give specific reasons. We should not mention anything which is general in nature. Fine. This is the second one. Now, what is the second? This is related to what? This is related to Aoede Limited. Okay. This is related to Aoede Limited. All the things in part A. In part B, okay, in part B, what they say, they are talking about Bianca Limited. What we have to do, we have to make sure that we have to revise tax adjusted trading profits. Okay, tax adjusted trading. We have to make a revised calculations. Okay, the third one it says that. Fine. Calculate Chargeable Limited chargeable gain and capital losses, if any, for the year ended 30th. Means we have to calculate what is the chargeable gain and what are the capital losses. In this process, if you are talking about the Aoede's relief claims and the taxable profits, it is 5 marks. Okay, this is for you are giving the reasons, it is 1 mark, and revised tax adjusted trading profits, it is 5 marks, and chargeable gains and chargeable losses 4 marks. Total marks are going to be how much? 15 marks. That's very important. Okay, that's very specific. We can say now we will see from what is the things here. It has been mentioned very clearly. Okay, the things are, they have given some related to information Iod Limited, they have given information with respect to Bianca Limited, and they have given information to, and each is it. This is we have to plan. This is related to question number A, this is related to question number B, and this is related to question number C. Okay, these are the 3 different ways of putting. Now, what in the question number A, what they are asking? What they are asking us that a basis of claims relief for its losses as early as possible, calculate taxable total profits. Okay, and first we have to calculate what? Taxable total profits. Fine. Next, once we are talking about taking the taxable total profits, fine. What we have to do? First, we have to take into consideration solution, Aoede's solution A.1. Okay, A.1 Aoede Limited total taxable total profits. I'm little bit slow here. Okay, you have to be very specific. The first one is going to be particulars. The second one is year ended 31st March 2022 and year ended 31st March 2023. Fine. Now it's very specific. Okay, very easy also. Fine. Now coming back to this, what we have to do, we have to make sure that how we are going to recover the losses, isn't it? How we can make sure of recovering the losses as such. Okay, now what they have given, they have commenced that trading, Aoede commenced trading on 1st April 2021. The results are like this, is right? They have commenced business on one. This is the first year results. This is the second year results. Okay, this is the first year results from we can understand from this year. There is some losses are there. Fine, chargeable gains are 5,800. There is a qualified charitable decision about that. Aoede Limited owns 100% of, or there is a subsidiary 100%. Is it right? 100%. They owns 100% of Moon Limited. Moon Limited commenced operation from 1st April and they have made a profit of how much? Trading profit means this is happens in the second year of operations. Is it right? This happens in second year of operation. When this happens in second year of operations, that profit should be adjusted in the second year, not in the first year. Fine. So that's very, very specific. That we have to be very, very careful in that. Now coming back to this, you have to start with what? First you have to start with trading profit. Yeah, we have to start with what? Trading profit. In trading profit, how much? It is a loss. Is that we have put 0 here. And how much is the 67,800. Okay. Next, if there is a loss, we should not take. We have to mention 0. Okay. Next, property business income. Yeah, property business income. 0 here at how much? 23,400. Fine. Next, what is there? There is a chargeable gains are there. 5,800. Is it? You have a chargeable gains. How much is there? 5,800 and 16,200. Is that 16,200? If you take that into consideration, how much is there? This is 5,800 and this will be how much? 1,041,107,400. Okay, this is going to be identified as total profits. Is it this? Now there is a loss. Is it right? How much is the loss? Fine. The trading profits are trading loss is how much? 5,800. Is it 5,800? We can recover the loss in the year itself. Is it right? We can property loss relief. Property loss relief. Is it right? Make it very, very clear. Current year. How much is there? 5,800. Here you don't have anything. Is it? You don't. Next, we have 5,800. Now we have to make sure that how much, this much we have used. Is it? This much we have used in which current year. Is it? Used in current year. Is it? Current year, how much we have used the recovered losses? 5,800. Next, what is the loss relief we are going to have? Is it? What is the loss relief? Okay, we are going to have. See, for this we need to specifically do the workings. Okay, I will put it as note 1. Okay, here we don't have any loss relief. Okay, we don't have any loss relief. I will put this here. Okay, I will put this here so that it will be easy for us to make it a point. Okay, note 1. Note 1. Fine. Now, is it? We call it as loss memorandum. Loss memorandum. Okay. Now, property loss is how much? See the thing. Property loss is how much? 26,400. Is it? Property loss is how much? Property loss is how much? Property loss is 26. Is it 26,400? How much we have recovered loss? We have used how much? Used current year. Okay, current year. How much we have used? Current year 31/3/22. Is it? How much we have used? We have used 5,800. Okay. How much is the loss? If you take into consideration, it comes to 14 minus 8, 6. it comes to 20,600. Okay, is it 20,600? This is property loss carry forward. Okay, now what is we have to take into consideration? There is a loss, is that this is over. Okay, this has been done. Okay, this has been done, and this is also we have taken into consideration. Okay, this also we have taken into consideration. Now how much is there? We have to add trading loss. Is it? We have to add trading loss. Trading loss is how much? 111,300. Okay, 111,300. It comes to how much? 131. Is it 131,900? Okay, 131,900. Fine. Now continue with this. Okay, I am writing here. Is right? I am taking this here. How much is there? This 131,900 should be trading loss carry forward. Okay, trading losses carry forward. Okay, carry forward to year ended 31/3/2023. Okay, how much is there? 131,900. Okay, now how much we can use it in the second phase? Is it how much we can use in year ended 31/3/23? Fine. How much is the value of the total of this? Okay, total of this is how much? Total of this is how much? 107,400. Okay, they have already given charitable deductions. How much? 6,600. They have already given charitable donations. It comes to how much? It comes to 8,001. Okay, how much we can use it? We can use it 100, 800. Okay, how much we can use? We can use 100, 800. This much is the profits available, and we can use this much amount during the year. Fine. Next. Okay, this much amount we can use it. Next, apart from that, see, now come that we have covered these things. Aoede owns 100% of the ordinary share capital. Moon Limited commenced trading on 1st April for the and made a trading profit. How much? They have made a trading profit of 19,700. What is the question they ask? They ask that calculate the taxable for the year ended and of Moon Limited for the year ended 31st March 2023. Definitely it is 100% owned. 19,700. Yeah, 100% owned. 90. See, we want to reduce the losses as much as possible, taking all the things into consideration. Okay, all the things into consideration. If what happens? Surrendered to, is it? Surrendered. Yeah? Surrendered to Moon Limited. Okay, how much is there? How much they have surrendered? 19,700. Fine. 19,700. If you take this thing, 131,900 minus this is the profit which used from the current year and 2023, and what is the Moon Limited profits? How much we'll get? We'll get 004 11,400. Okay, this is the losses carry forward. Yeah, this is the losses carry. How much we are used in the year 31/3/2023? Loss relief is how much? In the year 31st year ended 31st March 2023, loss relief is how much? Loss relief is 100,800. Okay, 100,800. We have to show separately. Okay, we have to show separately. Next, we have to qualified. Is that qualified charitable donations? Is that qualified charitable donations? See, when we have the things as such, is that it is for this is after charitable donations for the year ended 2022. We have to take the charitable donations for the we have the loss. We don't have anything here, is that? We don't have anything here. Okay, we cannot work out with respect to charitable donation. Here, how much is the charitable donations? Here, the charitable donations are 6,600. Right? Taxable total profits. Taxable total profits will be what? Here will be 0. And how much is the? See the thing. We have used completely. Okay, we have used to the extent possible. 1,000. We have used how much? We have used 100,800. Okay, this amount we have used completely. Yeah. And since after that only we have a carry forward losses of how much? 11,400. Because of this, is it? Because of this, what happened? 107,400 minus 100,800, 6,600. It will become how much? It will become 0. It's very simple, very straightforward. We have to be very clear that how we are going to work it out the things. Okay, this is the with respect to whom? This is with respect to Aoede. Okay, now coming back to this, they are asking us how it is going to be for the Moon Limited. Is it right? Moon Limited. Moon Limited taxable profits. Okay, taxable total profits. How much is the trading profit for Moon Limited? Trading profit for Moon Limited is how much? 19,700. Fine. How much we have? See, we have given the relief. Is that we have recovered we have reduced the losses. We have used the profits of Moon Limited with respect to the Aoede Limited. It is nothing but a group relief. How much is there? We have used 19,700. The taxable total profits. Now, what we have to do say is what they are asking. Okay, this is the part 1. And what they are asking, see, this is very important. Explain which aspect of Aoede Limited loss relief claim made in part 1 is not beneficially for the company to make. Is that? See, what we have not taken qualified charitable donations. Is that? We have not taken qualified charitable donations. Fine. Means it is not beneficial to Aoede to make the loss relief claim. Is that? Against total income. Is that? It is not beneficial. It is not beneficial for, we have to write it, is right? Aoede Limited to make the loss relief claim. To make the loss relief claim against total income total income for the year ended 31st March 2022. Okay, for the first 31st March 2022. Okay, for 31st March 2022. Because what is the reason? If you have done it, it has been otherwise covered by, it has been otherwise covered by qualified charitable donations. Okay, is that of how much? Of it is how much? Of how many they have given in pounds. Okay, of how much? 6,000. Is that this much you have to mention, because when we are recovering the donations, it is loss relief. Is it? It is loss relief. We have covered with what? We have covered with qualified charitable donations of how much? 600,000. Okay, this is the one which is related to the part A. Coming back to part B. Okay, coming back to part B as such. Where is that? I will take this. Fine. Now, coming back to part B. Fine. Part B. First we will understand what is there. Bianca Limited commenced trading on 1st April. The company tax adjusted trading profit is based on the statement of profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2023. Is how much? 256,300. The figure is before making any adjustments. They have to do further adjustment. Advertising expenditure of 5,800 incurred during January 2021 to promote Bianca's new business. The expenditure has not been deducted. We have to deduct it. Okay, we have to deduct it. How much? 5,800. Leasing cost of 9,300. Very important. Is it? See the thing. 4,000 leasing cost of now, which has been deducted in arriving the profit of 256. The leasing cost related to 2 cars which has been leased since April 2022. The first car has carbon emissions of 45 grams and the leased annual cost is how much? 4,200. The second car has a carbon emission of 60 grams. It has been leased at an annual cost of 5,100. If you take 4,200 and 5,100, it comes to 900. Is that? It comes to how much? 1,000. Next. Fine. We have to apply for only one car. Is that? We have to take that into consideration only for one car. Fine. We will add it. Okay. We will make it into consideration. Capital allowance on 1st April, Bianca purchased 4 new laptops, computer, discounted a cost of 1,000. 4 into 1,000, it is 5,100. Sorry, 4 into 1,000, sorry, it is 4,000 per laptop. The original cost of the laptop was 1,800, but Bianca was given a discount because they were damaged. Fine, we are not concerned about the damage or not damage. That's a different thing. Okay, Bianca also purchased 2 second-hand cars. One is for 12,400 and another is 13,900. Is it? It comes under where all these 3 comes under capital allowance. Okay, all 3 comes under capital allowance as such. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to write what they are asking us. What is the requirement? Calculate Bianca revised tax adjusted trading profit for the year ended 31st March 2023. Bianca Limited tax adjusted tax adjusted trading profit for the year ended 31st March 2023. My handwriting is not that much good, okay? Make it sure that once please subscribe to this channel and post your comments, and any like that, share this channel with those people, because this is the thing which is very restricted, okay? 20 till March 2024, and after that again there will not be that much major changes, but there will be some more changes will be there, okay? Now what is the Bianca's profit is there? Trading profit is how much? Trading profit is how much? Trading profit is trading profit is how much? Trading profit is 256,300. Okay, they have not deducted advertising expenses. Okay, less advertising expenditure. Advertising expenditure. How much is advertising expenditure? 5,800. Okay. Now this is very. They have the two cars. Is that leasing? How much is there? The first one is 4,200. The second one is 5,100. Okay. Lease of cars. Lease of cars. It has been given. Is it right? How much is it? We have to make it a car 2. Is that car? 5,000. How much? 5,100. What is the percentage has been given? It has been given how much? 15%. 15%. How much is there? 765. Okay, coming back to this. Next, capital allowance. Now that's all is there. Is it? Capital allowance. Very carefully. Is it? These are the rules which you have to be very specific. Laptops. See, laptops. It is related to the IT. Okay, computers. Under the classification of enhanced capital allowance. Is it right? Enhanced capital allowance. Is it? Enhanced capital allowance. At the rate of how much? At the rate of 130%. 4 laptops, 1,000 each. Is it? 4 laptops, 1,000 each. How much it comes to? It comes to 4,000. It comes to 4,000 times, is it? 4,000 1.3. Is it? Is it? Into you can take it as 130 by 100. 130 by 100. It comes to how much? It comes to 5,200. Okay, it comes to how much? This is the enhanced capital allowance of 130, because it main pool super deduction. Is it right? It is called as a main pool super deduction. Okay, main pool super deduction. They have purchased 4 new laptops. Okay, 4 new laptops. Next, car 1. How much is there? Car 1 is how much? It is how much? 12,400. It is how much? What is the emission? Carbon emission is 0 grams. Okay, carbon emission is 0 grams, means it comes to how much? 18%. Okay, 12,400 into 18%. It comes to 2,232. Okay, car 2 is how much? Car 2 is 13,900. Is it how much emission? 60 grams. 60 grams means it comes to how much? 6%. Is it? It comes to 834. Is it? If you take the total, is it? If the total 256,300 minus 5,800 plus 765 minus 5,200 minus 2232 minus 834, it comes to 242,999. Is that this is going to be called as a revised trading profit. What we have done, we have deducted the advertising expenditure. We have taken that laptops 130%, and for the it is a second-hand car, is it right? That therefore does not qualify for the 100% first year allowances. Okay, it has to be returned on at the rate of 18%, and the second car is having this carbon emissions is how much? Of almost 60 grams. That is the reason it has been taken at 6%. Fine. This is point B. Okay, this is point B. Point C. During the year, we will do here only. Okay, we will do here only. Yeah, we will do here only. Point C. With respect to what? With respect to Aoede Limited. Okay, what is the requirement? Calculate chargeable gains and capital losses. Okay, chargeable gains and during the year ended 31st March, Aoede disposed of 2 investment properties. The first property was sold for 368. The property was purchased for 147. They have extended at the cost of 39,000 during the year. The second property is for 167. This property was purchased for 172. And see, this is very important. Is it? I will highlight this. Is it? I will highlight this. The indexation factor for October 96 to December 17 is how much? 8.808. Is that 0.808? The first property, see where we have to apply indexation allowance and where we should not apply indexation allowance, that is very important. The first property was sold when 2023. The second property was sold in 2023. Okay, both have been sold in the January. The properties were purchased in 1996. Here the property was purchased during 2019. This property was purchased and was extended at a cost of C. They extended. Now this for the first property, indexation allowance is not allowable because the reason is right. Because the reason is it has the extended at a cost of how much? Extended at a cost of 39,000. Is it right? Extended at a cost of 39,000. Now, the things it lies is fine. 39,000 during June 2021. We have to take that into consideration. Fine. First, we will deal with the first property. Very simple, very straightforward. Okay, very straightforward. first property, how much is the disposable proceeds? Disposable proceeds are how much? Disposal proceeds are how much they have sold it. They have sold it for 368. Okay, they have sold it for 368. Cost is less cost is how much? Less cost is 147. Okay, they have a extended and was extended at the cost. Is it during? Means is it they have extended cost? Is extended cost how much? Extended cost is 39,000. It comes to how much? 0002801. Is it 281? Only see, indexation allowance is not related to the extended cost. Okay, indexation allowance is not allowed for extended cost. Fine. How much is there? You have to deduct indexation allowance. Is that only for the original cost? Okay, indexation allowance is only for the original cost. 147 times how much is given? 0.808. Is right? It comes to how much? It comes to 118776. Is it at 42236? Is it at? This is the chargeable gain. This is the chargeable gain. See the indexation factor. See the thing. The indexation factor for October 1996 till December 2017. Okay, till to the means. See, for second property, indexation allowance is not applicable. Okay, because of the date. Okay, because of the date. Which date it has been given? October 1996. Next, another thing, why it is not applicable for the first property? Because, is it right? Because it has been happened during. See, we have to take. See, indexation allowance is only for between these dates. Okay. If between these dates, if it has been incurred, see, first property was purchased in October 1996. That is the reason we have taken indexation allowance here. Okay, you have to be very clear about that. Why we have taken the indexation allowance? Why we have ignored the indexation allowance? Is that's very people students will just straight away think that yes, why it is not taken, why it is taken. Okay. Again, I will say indexation allowance is for the duration between October 1996 till December 2017. The first property is purchased on October 20, 1996. The extended cost has been done after that period during the June 2021. That is the reason for 39,000 we have not taken indexation allowance. For the amount which is relevant, we have taken. Second property, it has been purchased in December 2019. In December 2019, indexation allowance is not given. Fine. Next. What is the disposable proceeds? Disposable proceeds are how much? Disposable proceeds for the second one is how much? It is 167. Is it right? How much is the cost? Cost is 172. Is it right? Cost is 172. There is a loss. Is it right? No indexation allowance. Is it right? But you have to write. Is it right? Indexation allowance is going to be 0. It comes to how much? It comes to 5,000. Okay, it comes to 5,000. Now, what they are asking? Calculate, see, calculate chargeable gain and capital loss. This is chargeable gain. This is the capital loss. Right? This is the chargeable gain and this is the capital. This much you have to do, is it right? This much you have to do. First, what all three in the separate cases, all three forms independent, isolated situations. According to that, we have to work out slowly and steadily as such. Okay? If still you have any doubt, please let me know. Okay? Thank you so much. Best of luck. Please subscribe to this channel, share this channel, and if really you find it's useful, please like the channel. Thank you so much. Best of luck.